Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a headlight bulb. Replacing a headlight can seem daunting, but it's a straightforward task with the right approach. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a new headlight bulb, some protective gloves, and a flathead screwdriver. For certain vehicle models, a 10mm socket and ratchet might also be helpful to gain better access. Remember, wearing gloves is crucial to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb. Now that you have your tools ready, let's get to the bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and securing it safely. Next, look behind the headlight assembly for a circular dust cover. This cover protects the bulb. Gently twist this dust cover counterclockwise to remove it. For tighter spaces, especially on the passenger side, you might find it easier to loosen two top bolts on the headlight assembly to pull it out slightly, giving you more room to work. With the dust cover off, you'll see the old bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away. Then, grasp the base of the old bulb and rotate it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb out, observing its orientation. Now, take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and insert it, aligning the tabs. Twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Then reconnect the electrical harness until you hear a click. You're almost done. Before closing everything up, make sure all wires are tucked neatly inside the headlight housing. Then, replace the dust cover, twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. If you loosened any bolts on the headlight assembly for better access, retighten them now. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.